In this video, I will show you step by step how you can purchase web hosting through Hostinger. So this is a simple thing to do. Once we are on hostinger.com, click on login in the top right hand corner. That will then log you into your account. From here, we need to go over, and then if we select websites, that will bring us to this page where we will then get the chance to purchase web hosting. As you can see, there is different options here. So you want to read through all of these different things that are included with the different plans and choose the one which is most relevant to you. So for example, I will click on single web hosting, click on select, and then from here you've got an option between the durations that you can purchase. So you've got 48 months all the way down to 1 month. Choose the one that you want, and then from here click on choose payment method, or you can add a coupon code if you've got a coupon code for money off. Now once we do this, it will then go ahead and process the plan that you are wanting. And on this page, you can simply choose your preferred payment method. For me, I will be using card. So once we have entered in our information, we can simply click on submit payment. So once we click on submit payment, it will probably take a couple of seconds to fully process your new plan. And then as you can see, you can then go through the setup process, or you can click on skip to set this up at a later date. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can purchase web hosting on Hostinger.